So we set up the City Technology Forum very much to bring together the technology, the vendors, the industry experts and the clients to really understand how the technology can benefit their business.
It's important that businesses attend the City Technology Forum because we're trying to empower them with the knowledge of the emerging cloud technology products from the multiple security vendors that we're dealing with.
We've had some fantastic feedback. It's really, again, born of the same message around trust, around differentiation between their maybe incumbent technology partner and how we are giving them something that they're not receiving at the moment.
It's important that businesses stay up to date with the changes in cloud technology because we're seeing the cybersecurity threat to be greater now than we ever have seen in the history of our organisation.
So when I received the email invitation, I thought it was very well organised. The hospitality side was managed very well. Talking about the actual workshop itself, I just didn't know what to expect because it was an amalgamation of talking about the Office 365 product as well as GDPR, but throughout everything was very well paced. The section Robert Ward was conducting, he definitely didn't use any typical IT jargon when often you just get very lost in the event and you just really lose your appetite in learning a bit more about the product. Whereas he actually brings a lot of examples on the day. You can actually see it in reality, how you can adapt the product into your offers. So I thought that was very good and that was very fascinating, given it was the first time for me this is my first introduction to the actual product itself as well. My first introduction to Utilise was through Microsoft, so I did not know anything about the business. With regards to the culture, it feels like they are from, their adaptability, there's never the no, the non-imposing attitude. I really feel they are trying to work with somebody. It's always a partnership. There's always room for discussion. They are trying to do the best they can for the organisation.
Well, Microsoft have a very large portfolio of products, and what we're trying to articulate in these events is to really get customers to maximise the productivity they're getting out of maybe existing Microsoft products and really seeing what other technologies out there that can complement existing software they have.
Their product range is so wide and so versatile. It really, really needs somebody like a Utilise to bring everything back to layman's term, actually really understand your side of the story and then being able to give you the best advice and say this is Microsoft's intention when they design the product. However, these are all the possibilities as well. Well, let's just pick and choose the best one that works for you right now. The product will forever evolve, so will your organisation, and you do need that middle person to be able to hold your hand and go, well, how you actually join that path together.
So what we're finding is that customers' engagement and the way they're consuming technology is fundamentally changed. It's no longer about the piece of tin or the piece of hardware that's sat in the corner. They have a whole plethora of different options open to them, including technologies like the Microsoft Cloud. And what customers we're finding are doing, they're coming out and they're needing to educate themselves and learn more about those technologies.